Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on Supermicrocomputer, Inc., NASDAQ, SMCI. If you're an investor or simply keeping an eye on the stock market, you won't want to miss this analysis. From recent price movements to Wall Street forecasts and institutional investments, we've got everything covered. So, stick around until the end. Supermicrocomputer's stock experienced a 2% drop on Tuesday. The trading session saw shares dip as low as $27.22 before recovering slightly to close at $28.50. Interestingly, trading volume was significantly lower than usual. Approximately 16.47 million shares were exchanged, marking a 49% decrease from the stock's average daily volume of 32.52 million shares. Prior to this session, the stock had closed at $29.07. While a 2% dip may not seem like a major fluctuation, understanding the market's response and expert analysis can provide key insights into what's next for SMCI. Wall Street analysts have been actively updating their ratings and forecasts for Supermicrocomputer. Over the past few months, we've seen mixed reactions from various brokerage firms. Here's a quick breakdown. Argus downgraded the stock from a buy to a hold rating on October 31st, signaling a more cautious approach. Loop Capital, however, raised their price target from $35 to $40 and maintained a buy rating on January 23rd, showing confidence in the stock's potential. Northland Capital took an even more optimistic stance, upgrading Supermicrocomputer to a strong buy on December 20th. Meanwhile, stocknews.com took the opposite approach, moving the stock from hold to sell in a report on October 9th. Barclays revised its price target significantly, lowering it from a staggering $438 to just $42, assigning an equal weight rating on October 2nd. So, where does that leave us? Based on data from MarketBeat.com, the stock has received a consensus rating of hold. The breakdown includes 3 analysts recommending sell, 11 analysts suggesting hold, 4 analysts issuing a buy rating, and just 1 going all in with a strong buy recommendation. The consensus price target stands at $62.89. So while some experts see strong potential, others are urging caution. Let's take a closer look at Supermicrocomputer's financial indicators. Currently, the company has a market capitalization of $16.02 billion, with a price-to-earnings ratio of 14.38. The stock's beta is 1.31, indicating moderate volatility in relation to the broader market. The 50-day moving average stands at $34.01. The 200-day moving average sits higher at $43.48. These figures suggest that the stock has been in a downward trend over the longer term, though short-term fluctuations may provide opportunities for traders. In terms of financial health, Supermicrocomputer boasts a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.32, a current ratio of 3.77, and a quick ratio of 1.93. These indicators show that the company maintains strong liquidity and is well positioned to meet its short-term obligations. A major factor in stock performance is institutional investment. So, how have hedge funds and institutional investors been handling SMCI? Several institutional investors have adjusted their positions in the stock. Northwestern Mutual Wealth Management Company made a significant move, increasing its holdings in SMCI by an astonishing 498.8% in the second quarter. The firm now owns 8,132 shares, valued at approximately $6.66 million, after acquiring an additional 6,774 shares in just 1 quarter. Quarry LP also upped its stake, boosting its position by 5,850%. This investor now holds 119 shares, valued at around $98,000, after buying 117 new shares in the last quarter. Regal Investment Advisors LLC jumped into the game, acquiring a new stake worth approximately $378,000 in the second quarter. Granite Bay Wealth Management LLC also purchased a new position, investing $269,000 into the company. Setter Investment Advisors took a strategic step, increasing their holdings by 24.5% during the same quarter. They now own 324 shares, worth approximately $28.12 million, after acquiring 6,749 additional shares. Collectively, hedge funds and institutional investors now control 84.06% of the company's stock. This level of ownership shows strong institutional interest. but it also means that market movements could be influenced by shifts in institutional sentiment. What's next for Super Microcomputer? So, what can investors expect moving forward? Let's break it down. Volatility and market sentiment. The stock has seen mixed ratings from analysts, with some expecting growth and others taking a cautious stance. The reduction in Barclays' price target was particularly drastic, suggesting that some investors may be re-evaluating their expectations. Institutional influence. With over 84% of the stock held by hedge funds and institutions, any significant shifts in their holdings could lead to increased volatility. Growth potential versus risks. The company's financials indicate a stable position, but broader market trends, competition, and technology sector shifts could impact future performance. For those considering investing in SMCI, staying updated with earnings reports, analyst updates, and institutional activity will be crucial in making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.